Starting the recording. So fraction. Imagine one pizza is there. Imagine one pizza is there. Yeah, the Dhaval is having a birthday, and उसने लेके गया अपने कुछ friends को. So ये pieces में part बैठते हैं, लेकिन और दो friends आ जाते हैं. Then it will get into all this part. Again, some friends will come. Again, it will be cutting into this part. Again, some friends came. तो कितने कितने parts में divide होता है, इसको हम लोग पढ़ने के लिए हमें fraction की जरूरत पड़ती है. अब इतने टुकड़े होने के बाद किसी का पेट तो भरेगा नहीं बेटा. Okay, so we need to count how much fractions are there, how many means ये जो total tally है, total tally में से कितने parts मेरे बटने वाले कितने नहीं बटने वाले उसको हम calculate करना पड़ता है. So proper fraction is a part of a whole number. So 7/4, okay, is a number. Now 7/4, what we can say, which number is greater? Then this is called as numerator, the upper part. This part is called as denominator. जो नीचे वाला part रहता है उसे denominator कहते हैं, जो ऊपर वाला part रहता है उसे numerator कहते हैं. So जब भी numerator is greater than denominator, it is called as what? Which fraction? Proper fraction. यहाँ पे numerator है 7, denominator है 4. मणिकर्णिका राउत, मणिकर्णिका, are you there? मणिकर्णिका राउत, मणिकर्णिका, any doubt is there beta? Joina?
No, sir.
Who said it? No doubt. मणिकर्णिका और Joina?
ना.
बेटा क्वेश्चन तो पूछा ही नहीं ना आपके लिए, वो तो मणिकर्णिका के लिए था क्वेश्चन. आपके लिए क्वेश्चन ये है कि ये whenever there is a number in which the denominator is greater than numerator, so just a minute. Just a minute, I'm coming to this part now. Wait. I'll just show you that part. Then you'll get a better idea. So we'll be studying about improper fraction, proper fraction, and mixed fraction. What are they? Mixed fraction. This is called as mixed fraction. My voice is cracking?
No, sir.
sir.
Sir, it's not cracking.
Your voice is clear.
Yeah, just wait. I'm changing my network.
Sir, I can't hear you.
Now, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir,
you're
audible.
Sir, you're audible.
Okay. Now see. See, this is the divide part. By, upon. I'm putting a number 7/4. And in one case, I'm putting 4/7. जब न्यूमरेटर बड़ा है डिनोमिनेटर से तो हम लोग उसको क्या कहते हैं ये बताओ.
Improper fraction.
Sir, improper fraction. Improper fraction.
जब डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा है, न्यूमरेटर बड़ा है डिनोमिनेटर से. अच्छा, इसको क्या बोलते हैं जब डिनोमिनेटर
Sir,
बड़ा
proper
है?
fraction.
Proper fraction.
Whenever the whenever यहाँ पे two numbers है. See 9/5 and 5/9. Okay. So 9/5 में 9 अगर ऊपर वाला बड़ा है तो इसको हम लोग क्या करेंगे?
The 9/5 is improper fraction and 5/9 is proper fraction.
Yeah. So good. So now just turn on your camera. You need to turn on your camera. Manikarnika, you need to turn on your mic and you need to say something. Otherwise, I need to call your brother. I'm making it very clear, Manika. Yesterday, I had a word with your brother and you also. I don't want that private message also. I don't want anything. I just want you to reply in the cast. Same for Devika. Devika and same for Saksham. Saksham, turn on your camera. मैंने क्लास में टर्न कैमरा ऑफ रखने किसी को नहीं बोला. हाँ, याद रखना. भाविक, if it is like this, 4, 3/8, what is this fraction called? Is it proper? Is it improper? Is it mixed fraction?
It's mixed fraction.
Fraction.
The mixed.
Okay, good.
Mixed fraction.
Yeah. Is it any doubt till here?
No, sir.
ठीक है. Now, mixed fraction जब भी आते हैं, so what we need to see 3 1/2. क्या करना पड़ता है? First step. The first step is remember.
The denominator divided by the whole number.
Yeah. 2 into 3. This number and this number. Okay. Second step. After getting your number 2 into 3 is 6. Add that number with this.
Sir, add 1. Add that number with the numerator. 7.
It will be 7. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir,
So,
it is
any
clear.
doubt? किसी को कोई डाउट है ऐसा बताओ मुझे.
No, sir. No, sir.
Now, if two numbers are there, ओके, अगर मेरे पास दो नंबर है, जैसे 3 + 2 5/7, सो विच वन यू सॉल्व फर्स्ट? क्या करेंगे हम? ये जो फ्रैक्शन है, इसको किसलिए मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में किसमें कन्वर्ट करना पड़ता है?
The
Improper
fraction.
Proper fraction.
इम्प्रॉपर.
Improper fraction.
ऑलवेज दैट इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन, जो मिक्स फ्रैक्शन रहता है उसको हर समय इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में ही आएगा, याद रखना.
Yes,
And
sir.
जो भी वैल्यू आएगी उसे हम लोग उसको क्या करेंगे? ऐड करेंगे. कोई डाउट यहाँ तक?
No, sir.
याद रखना, 2 into 3 या 1/2 into 4 या 1/4, दिस into means of 1/2 of 1/4, 2 into 2 of 3. It is meant by multiplication. यहाँ तक कोई डाउट किसी को अभी?
No, sir.
Sure.
Sir, multiplication signs is mean by of, na?
Yeah, of.
Okay, sir.
Turn on your camera. Samiksha, Bhavik, Akshara, Reet, Ansh, Siddhant, Swani, Anjali.
आवाज क्रैक होने लगती है
Camera is on.
इसलिए ऑन नहीं कर रहा कैमरा इज
अच्छा,
ऑन.
ओके, ठीक है. नाउ यहाँ तक किसी को डाउट है? किसी को भी कोई डाउट
No,
नहीं?
sir. No, sir.
ठीक है.
No, sir.
नाउ अगर कोई नंबर है, देयर विल बी टू कंडीशंस विल बी देयर. सी, 1/2 + 1/4, एक ये कंडीशन है, एंड 1/2 into 1/4. दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है? व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टू?
इस एक
Sir,
इसमें
their
multiplication है,
denominators are different.
denominators are different.
डिनोमिनेटर का डिफरेंस है. यहाँ पे प्लस, यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन. ओके, सो
Yes,
जब
sir.
भी ऐसा होता है, जब भी ऐसा होता है, आपको कुछ करना है. ठीक है. नाउ व्हेनेवर देयर इज अ साइन ऑफ एडिशन, तो आपके पास दो चीजें, एक तो एलसीएम मेथड से या तो फिर डायरेक्ट क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड से, विच एवर मेथड्स मींस इट इज सुटेबल टू यू. ओके. कैल्शियम
Yes, sir.
एलसीएम मतलब पता है ना? एलसीएम कैसे निकालते, पता है ना आपको? फैक्टर्स निकालते हैं.
यस सर, फैक्टर.
So 2 2s are 4 is the LCM. Then I need to do like this.
6/8.
Yeah, 2 and 4 4s are 1. So it will be 2 + 2 will be 5. Otherwise you can do like this cross multiplication also. So क्या होता है यहाँ पे? 4 into 1 it will go here, plus 2 into 1 और नीचे में वो दोनों मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएंगे. It will be 2 into 4. So 4 plus 2 6 and नीचे में 2 4 2 into 4 8. So how much it will be? 6 upon
6/8. 6/8.
यहाँ पे मैं भूल गया, 4 into 2 8 आएगा, यहाँ पे भूल गया मैं करना. ओके, सो आपको ऐसे आंसर मिलेगा. सो आप दो तरीके से कर सकते हैं, बट
सर
Yes.
इधर रिडक्शन मेथड.
या तो यू कैन डू द डिडक्शन देन. 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. डिडक्शन में क्या होता है? सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ता है, डिवाइड करना पड़ता है. सेम नंबर, इट शुड बी सेम. ऐसा नहीं ऊपर
Okay,
नंबर को किसी और से कट करे, दूसरे को किसी और से कट करे.
Sir,
Yeah.
can you repeat this?
विच पार्ट आई शुड रिपीट, सक्षम?
Sir, from starting, I didn't understand.
सर कैन यू एक्सप्लेन क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन?
Yeah, I will explain cross multiplication. See, 1/2 plus 1/4 है, and 1/2 1/4 is there. Two numbers are there, and but the signs are different. In one case there is a addition sign, in one case it is a multiplication sign. So 1/2 plus 1/4, this is a cross multiplication method. इसमें क्या होता है? ये नंबर को यहाँ लेके चले जाओ, it will be 4 into 1, multiply with that part. 2 into plus 2 into वो नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करो, 2 into 1, and नीचे में जो दोनों नंबर इसको आपस में मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. नाउ क्लियर है मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड, सक्षम?
Yes, sir. Now I understand. To cross check, we have to cross check.
Yeah, 4 into 1 plus 2 into 2, that is, and 2 into 4, then it will be 6/8. नाउ दोनों नंबर्स ज्यादा है, उनको डिवाइड करना है, तो इसको डिवाइड करो आप. 2 के टेबल में दोनों आते हैं, सो ऊपर वाला 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. कोई डाउट यहाँ तक?
सर
श्योर? ऐसा कोई क्वेश्चन जिसमें भी फंस गए आप लोग, अटक गए, कोई डाउट है?
No, sir. I don't have any doubt.
ना 1/2 into 1/4, ऐसे क्वेश्चन जब मल्टीप्लिकेशन आते हैं तो डायरेक्ट नंबर मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. 2 into 4 हाउ मच? 1 into 1
1/8.
The 1.
1/8.
1/8.
Any doubt?
No,
मनी
sir.
करने का, टर्न ऑन योर कैमरा, टर्न ऑन योर माइक. मनी करने का. Any doubt is there to anyone?
No, sir.
Sure. Should I move forward now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You You can shoot forward.
Okay. Now coming downwards, see this is a question number 4. Can you put the answer in the chat box? Hello?
One by 35.
Hear you.
1 by 35.
Yeah, how much?
1 by
1 by
35.
35. 1 by 35.
Very good. Is there Monish Roy in the class?
No, sir.
ठीक है. Good. Now you understood the difference between multiplication and addition. Do you understand
Yes, sir.
what are the integers, what are the denominators? समझ गया ना? कोई doubt तो नहीं है ना?
Sir, समझ गया.
Oh, sir.
Okay. Now coming downwards to the important part. See, multiply this part. Which one you will solve? This is what? 2 upon 5 is what? Proper or improper fraction?
It's proper fraction.
Proper fraction.
Proper fraction.
उसको किससे multiply करना है?
Sir,
In
5 1 by 4.
5
Which
whole 1 by 4.
5 multiplied by 1 and 4 multiplied by 2.
So
5
first,
whole 1 by
first basically 5 1 by 4 convert it
Dot
into
1
improper.
by
Sir, answer is 21 by 4.
21 by 4.
What will be 5 1 by 4?
So 21 upon 4. 21 upon 4.
Now do the calculation. Solve proper and improper fraction.
42 by 20.
So 42 by
Or
20.
21 by 10.
42 by 20. Reduce it to smaller fraction. Reduce it.
21 by 10.
21 by 10.
21 by 10.
Sir,
So 21 by 10.
21 by 10.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Very good, Batepsha. Very good, Reith. Good. Now, any doubt till here?
No, sir, no doubt.
अब एक और
Sir,
चीज
no.
है इसमें सबसे important. 4 by 5 divided by 2 by 5 by 2. Whenever there is a divide sign, always use the part of reciprocal. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? 4
Sir, we
by
have to do reciprocal.
yeah.
reciprocal.
8 by 10 or 4
Yeah.
by 5.
Yes, divide का convert होके multiply हो जाएगा and multiply जैसे ही
Sir,
होगा
2 by
इसका
5.
sign
2 by 5.
By
या
5.
just wait आदित्य just wait. Divide का उल्टा हो जाएगा multiplication and then 5 by 2 का उल्टा हो जाएगा 2 by 5. ये याद रखना. कोई डाउट यहाँ तक?
Sir, the answer is 8
No, sir.
by 5.
8 by 10 or 4
8
by
by
5.
8 by 25. 8 by 25. If I take a number like this, say 3 divided by 4 by 6. But यहाँ पे
Sir, 3 by 1 divided by 4 by 6.
3 by 1 divided by 4 by 6. Now
Sir,
divide
then 3 by 1 multiplied by 6 by 4.
who is the brother? Who is the
18
brother of divide?
by
It is
4.
multiplication.
So multiplication.
And याद रखना divide के बाद जो भी नंबर है वही रिवर्स होगा. Divide के बाद जो
Sir,
भी नंबर है
6
वही
by
रिवर्स होगा.
4.
6 by 4.
Just wait now, some error is there. 6 by 4. किसी को doubt? कोई doubt अभी?
No, sir.
So, sir, it's very easy.
Sure.
Sir, explain once again. I didn't understand.
Okay, I'll explain. Wait. See, 3 by 1 divided by 4 by 6 is there. So always the first condition is like अगर यहाँ पे कुछ भी number नहीं है जैसे 3 divided by 4 by 6 था. Always take that number as a 3 by 1. First, divided by 4 by 6. Second step, divide का brother कौन होता है? उल्टा कौन होता है? Divide का brother multiplication.
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 4 by 6. या तो जब मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो तो नंबर को रिवर्स कर दो, उसको रेसिप्रोकल बोलते हैं. बताओ क्या होगा 4 by 6 का?
6 by 4.
6 by
6 by 4.
Then you can do like calculation, product of numerator into product of denominator. Is it easy now?
Yes,
Easy?
sir.
18 by 4.
18 by 4.
18 by 4.
18 by 4.
कोई डाउट यहाँ तक?
No, sir.
कोई
No,
भी
sir.
नंबर है, कोई भी
Sir,
नंबर है,
no,
कोई भी नंबर है 1 by 7. 1 by 7 को उल्टा करो क्या होगा वो?
the 7 by 1.
by 1.
7 by
Sir, 7 by
7 by 1. Okay. Now इसे कहते हैं हम लोग रिवर्स. जब भी रिवर्स होता है तो
The
इसको
reciprocal.
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 कोई डाउट यहाँ तक?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Draw.
No, sir.
Okay, just wait. Just wait. Now, coming to this part. Can you solve this question? Suhani?
Sir, 5 multiplied by 4, 7 by 4.
Sir, 25 by 35.
25 by 35.
Sir, 25 by 35.
35 is the
20.
answer.
25 by 35. Sir, you are muted.
Any doubt?
Sir,
with
25 by
anyone?
35.
Now, वहाँ पे कोई नंबर नहीं है तो 5 by 1 first step divided by 3 4 by 7. First solve 3 4 by 7. What will be 3 4 by 7? I told you.
Sir, 7
Addition of this
21,
number
25.
7 into 3 plus the addition of numerator. It will be 7 into 3. 21 plus 4. How much
Sir,
is
then
25?
5 by 1 multiplied by
25.
So 5 by 1 divided by 25 by 7.
7.
Now, denominator divide का भाई कौन है उल्टा?
Sir, 5 by 1
Multiplication.
multiplied by 7 by 25.
7 by 2. Anyone who is having problem now till here?
No, sir.
Bhavik, Suhani,
No,
Manikarnika.
Sir, I don't understand. Explain once again.
हाँ बेटा बता रहा Manikarnika. I just want Manikarnika
Sir,
to
in
know.
that we have to cross multiplication or we can do direct also.
Direct also you can do. Is it possible? Yeah. So Manikarnika, what happened? Are you not able to turn on your mic? Just you need to say something. Acha, okay. I'll just share the video on the YouTube. You'll check it from there. Samiksha, Siddhant. Siddhant, what are you doing? Beta, your camera is off. Harshit Raut, Ipsha, Meera. Turn on your camera, everyone.
Sir, my
Sir,
camera is
Siddhant का
on.
camera तो on है.
I'm with two devices. Because my laptop's mic is on.
Okay. What about Saksham? What about Devika? Dhruv? Ansh? Devika, I'm having one question for you. Just solve this question. I'm giving one question to everyone. Devika, are you there?
Sir, this question is for everyone.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Chalo, solve it now. Lok Singh.
Sir, which question?
Beta, ये question.
Okay, sorry, my network problem was there.
Is there Atharva Bhavane in the class? Yatharth, Harde, Ingole?
Sir,
Sir,
I didn't understand.
Atharva
Can you
Bhavane
explain?
is in the class.
Atharva Bhavane?